Hello, hair lovelies! Welcome back to Lumi Ombre Studio YouTube channel. And today we created another hair color creation, the denim blue hair. First process, we bleached the hair to the level 8. As we can see, just like this, using the high lift bleaching powder and a bond fusion to avoid the hair damage. And then we need to wait for the bleach to process around 60 minutes and then rinse well. Next step, dry the hair and apply the hair color. And here we use the deep blue ash with 20 volume peroxide. Then we wait for 45 minutes and wash and dry the hair and we style it. Voila! The hair is ready. Hope you like it and have a good hair day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel at Lumi Ombre Studio and our Instagram at Lumi Ombre. I'll see you on the next post.
Your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't have